I said men of goodwill, and I'd like to say to the communists, you have crossed the red line. You know, I have been mayor of the city for 23 years. There never was a time that the military or myself allowed torture or to hurt people who surrendered from the NPAs or captured. Wala talaga. We never allow it. Maybe we want it as a revenge. But since we are government and we have stand by that, you have to have morals to prop us up. Otherwise, we are no different from the barbarians like them. Ang problema nito, in Negros, they captured 4 policemen. And they were battered to death with so many hematomas all over the body. In the 23 years, we never did that. The communists here who take hostage of our soldiers, I go to the mountains every now and then with Bong, bring a helicopter, and if there are many, I bring 2, 3, and retrieve them from the custody. And they have always been honoring that no torture or no inhuman. Doon sa Sagay, ang police, pinutulan pa nila ng Gillette daw ang ginamit. Sabi ko, no, look, the reason why we cannot develop fully is the countryside is infested with parasites like you. You do not work, you exact taxation. And if you think that the barangay captain is not cooperating with you, with the communist theories and your ideologies, which is rotten already, it is corrupt just like the ISIS, you fight, you kill. I served notice the other day that I will not take it sitting now. I will just maybe, but I told my military and the police, gawin mo sa kanila, do it to them also. I've been telling you, I will implement a more severe measure. What is it? Maghintay lang kayo. Kasi sabi ko, sumusobra na kayo. And in some areas, malaki masyado, and I am short of policemen and soldiers. But you cannot do it unrestrained, unbridled, uncontrolled, as if you are the killing machine of the Philippines. You try to crucify me about drugs. In my election, I made